To set up the Attorna Law, Lawyer, and Attorney WordPress theme, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Install WordPress. Make sure you have WordPress installed on your hosting server. 2. Install the Attorna theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance greater than Themes greater than Add New greater than Upload Theme. Upload the theme zip file at attorna.zip closing parenthesis and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. 3. Install required plugins. Upon activation, the theme will prompt you to install required and recommended plugins. These usually include Goodlayers Core Revolution, Slider Contact Form, 7WP Bakery Page Builder. If bundled to install, click on Begin installing plugins. Select all plugins and install. After installation, activate all the plugins. 4. Import demo content. Optional but recommended to make your site look like the demo. Go to Goodlayers greater than Import Demo in the WordPress dashboard. Choose a demo layout, for example, default demo. Click Import. It may take a few minutes to complete. Done. Your site should now look like the demo. If the import fails, ensure your server has sufficient PHP limits, memory, execution time, etc. 5. Customize your site. Go to Appearance greater than Customize to edit site identity, logo, title colors, header, and footer layout typography. Use Goodlayers Page Builder.